Hey Emma, my name is Heidi. In this video, I'm just going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Um, I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business all for free. Um, and so it has resulted in some of the local business owners, wanting to raise their hand and say that they want to work with us. Please do this for us. But so if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to just take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition, and I won't waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing that I want to go over is content. So on your site, I went through and before I get started on the content, I really, really do love the pictures that you have on here. They were really cool. They really caught my eye. So you're doing really good on that. As you see, though, as I scroll down your page, you don't have very many content on here on the page. Now, Google likes words. They optimize the page for about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And I looked on a word counter to see how many words you guys had on yours. And this does not include numbers. This is only words. And you had 341 words on your site. Now your competition that's up there, let me just show you what they have. They have about 818 words. So if we were to put 15 words on your website, we would be able to beat your competition hands down because they don't have very many words on their site. So, and if you don't have a lot of content on your site is not optimized for the customers who are searching for you guys. So I just wanted to show you the 2 difference on that of content. So first thing we would see is we would add ads that people are paying Google to be up on. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if ads aren't effective. So that's why even though you might be running ads and you're getting clients in the door, if you were to optimize your website for the content, you would be able to get more customers. So moving on to the next viable section is, and it's really the second most important thing to talk about, really, and that's the Google Map Pack. So, whoops, this is the Google Map Pack, and citations. Google goes around all of and looks at all the citations, and that's where they rank you up there. On the websites and stuff. And right here in the Google Map Pack, this does not show your business in the top 3. And you really want to be in the top 3. And so to get into the top 3 of your citations, we'll just go right here. You have to see your online presence. So right here, these are all the places that you have your telephone number, your address, and your website. And so you do have it on Google. You do have it on Google Maps, and you also have it on Facebook. Really good. Unfortunately, like you have it on Bing, but they also optimize for photos. So we would go in there. We would do Bing and get some photos on there for you. All of these, it's better to have photos too. And citations are like, you're the most important kid, so you want it all pointing back to you. So there is some citations that you're not found on, or like they show the little X here. That means like either the address is wrong or the telephone numbers are different. You kind of want them all the same across everything on on all of Google when they go out to search for you. As you can see, there is 2 different numbers that they have. So that's why they give you an X on this. And you just keep going down and you can see that you're on some here, but there's just different information on everything. So it's not really doing your local business score. And if you go over to these guys, they do not have a Facebook page, so you are beating them in that. But their information is consecutive throughout the whole web. Their address is the same, and their address is the same. So this is basically the citations that you want to go after. So on their score, they do have lower scores than you on citations, but again, they're beating you because their number is the same on every single platform. And so Google sees that, and they see that you're not consistent, so they kind of bring you lower, down a little bit lower. So that is what the citations are. And we can see, you've got the citations of your business all laid out. Now, the third thing I want to cover with you is the most important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice. You can search. You can see we searched for you, and I did show you this. We searched, and you weren't really on the sites. Kind of went down here. There's your competition that I pulled up right there. Let's see. Go down. And we'll just keep going down. We're now into like the second page of Google. And there you are on the second page of Google right there. So backlinks, or link juice, as I like to do, is kind of, again, like citations. It's a popularity contest. Who is the most popular on Google, and who wants to be like that person's friend and point back to them? So backlinks right here, I use another one that's called Ahrefs, and it brings up the backlinks right here. So we have that you have 431 backlinks, although 159 have dropped off this month. That means that they are no longer pointing back to you. And so what we want to do is we want to definitely go in there and really get you some really ranking high backlinks, so that the backlinks are good. And I'll just show you your competition as well. So they have 1,000 backlinks linking back to them, saying that they're the cool kid. And they've had 23 that was added this month. And if you can look over here at their keywords, their keywords, although they did have 208 keywords drop off because they weren't buyer intent keywords, like something like asphalt now, or where do I get asphalt? Those are buyer intent keywords. They also are getting this much traffic this month, although even though they're getting 5.2 thousand in traffic, 783 is down from last month. And right here is paid ads. So they are not paying any ads for any of this traffic that they're getting. So, and then if we go back to yours, you are paying ads, but your ads are only bringing in 4 traffic, and you're only getting 54 traffic. So if we can go and get you better backlinks, you would be higher in Google. And so just in closing, because I don't want to keep you very long, just in closing, number one, we would want to redo your content. Your front page needs to at least have 1,500 words. Second thing we want to do is go and get your citations. You want to have about 200 to 300 of these just to beat out the competition by a landslide. You don't want them catching up at all. And then the third thing is backlinks, or a link juice. You need more relative sites pointing back at you guys to show Google you are the authority. So, and if you would implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. And I really enjoy what I do. And so I bet you're wondering what now. So you can either go with this information I provide with you today on your own, and I'm totally okay with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can just give me a call. It's 435 right here. This is my website, 435-337-4840. Once again, my name is Heidi, and my number is right there on your screen, 435-337-4840. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great day.